Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating emails from a Word document. You can see I have my Word document with some information in it, and there is a table with first name, last name, and email, which is most important. And I'm gonna use this table to create emails. It's like 11 records. It will create in 11 emails uh, into my mailer. But the thing is also um, the first thing that I have to check is if what is my default email app. So I will go to settings, I click search, type settings, click on it to open, click on find, type default apps, and make sure that it has a mail. It could be Outlook, it could be something different, but default mail is the best because it's light, it's supports all feature we need, and Outlook is also working, but it's very sluggish and not worth it. So, and if you have Outlook installed, you will have the same mail draft into Outlook as well. You can open Outlook and see mails there. So in order to do this, I will download application. Don't save. I download application. You notice this is WordPad, but it's Word file. I don't have Word installed to this machine, and Word is not required to install here. And yeah, so I will go on this website and download application. I will leave link to the site into description. So to find application, click on search and type emails, and I need this create email from Word, and I click on download and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on how to how to create email from different sources like Excel, CSV. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And it's also important to close Word document while you're using it in application, because if Word document is open, you may get error like Word document is locked, because Word is actively locking file, so no other application can access it. So archive has been downloaded. I'll click on download the archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have a new application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut here, so I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion, creating email is 3 steps process. First step, I have to select my input file. I'll navigate to my file with my data table. Click on it. I can also download an input file example. If you want to see the file I'm using as example, I maybe modify it or add your information, that's fine, you can download it from here. Click on next step. On this step, if my first of the row of the table has column names, which is true in my case, I'll keep it check. Here I can specify email column, and here I can specify subject column or text. I want to specify subject text, but I want to include some data from the table. So if I click on this create email template link, it will create automatically template with all columns from my table. If you have different tables, different columns, it will be different, but for this I can use, for example, I can say hi, first name, last name, and I can use it as subject, for example, right? And then I can maybe delete some fields, maybe add different fields, and add some text here, and that's it. And after the email body is ready, click on next step, and on final step I click run, and it will start creating create an email in my drafts. You can see it's like add some text, so I have like 11 email, but I have previous emails into draft as well. So this is why it's more than 11, but it will create a amount of records in a table. And you can see it has email, it has subject we specified, and it has a text. The only problem is that I cannot send like all email in draft, so I have to click send 11 times in order to send them. But we have email created, and clicking on send is and verifying email. Maybe I did some more thing, and clicking on send is not that bad as creating 11 emails from scratch. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.